Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. So for this hairstyle, you need to part your hair into two sections. As you can see, I'm fluffing my roots just to make it easy for my fingers to penetrate while styling. So guys, as you can see, my hair was really dry. It's very dry. I haven't moisturized it for some time, so I would not advise you to do this hairstyle if your hair is not yet moisturized. Kindly moisturize your hair before doing this hairstyle. So guys, as you can see, I'm picking a section of hair and adding more hair while going backwards. It's really not easy to explain, but with practice you can perfect it. Yes, I'm not a pro, but with practice I can see my skills. Uh, my skill is really growing. So guys, while watching this video, you can try at home also to flat twist your hair so that you can learn while flat twisting. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, my hair is really dry. So just go on like that. As you can see, the flat twist is really coming out despite of the tangles. My hair is really dry and hard. Yeah, the sis is really struggling. So guys, so this is my first video, and I hope that you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do. So guys, continue watching the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it.